What's up, guys? We are back with another Everything's Regular auto auction update. Man, we are back at one of my favorite auctions in town. Man, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Man, it's Thanksgiving time, man, so everything on the site is literally free shipping, and you guys will get it, man. So with that being said, let's check out some of these rides today and see what they got for us. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And yes sir, everything's regular. Alrighty guys, first up, man, we got a 2013 Honda Accord with 65,000 miles on the dash. Pretty nice mileage. This one, they kind of like to repaint cars here, so with that mileage you never know. We can take a look under here. It does look pretty clean. However, it might have been in an accident. I don't know. It's missing an inner fender wall right there on both sides. So maybe the front end has been replaced. And I'm thinking it has, because usually when the dust sits on top of these cars like that, at an auction at least, it usually tells me that they have been repainted or rebuilt, whatever the case may be. But moving along, it does have 65,000 miles. We can check out the inside really quick. I don't see anything that stands out to me, but interior and everything does look pretty fair, to say the least. We are looking for something to flip here or try to make some money on, at least, drive it for a little bit, who knows. This one seems like it is a pretty decent car. We would have to do the Carfax on it. 65,000 miles. You may be able to get a good deal today, being that it is Thanksgiving time, so I don't know. We'll see. Stay tuned and let your boy know what's up. Next up, we got a 2013 Volkswagen Jetta, 85,000 miles. This one seems pretty fair. You're missing a little side mirror cap right there. No big deal. Take a look around. Body's in fairly good shape at 85,000 miles. This still may be a pretty good Jetta. If we take a look at the inside, it does have some black leather interior. Got rips in the driver's seat. Looks like they was in that seat literally every moment of those 85,000 miles. But no big deal. I don't see anything else that stands out. No sunroof or nothing like that. We can take a walk around the back. Got a little scrape on this side. No big deal. This tail light is cracked. You probably will need a new one of those, but no big deal. All in all, seems like it's a pretty fair whip. I don't know, man. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. We got a 07 Mercedes ML350 here, 142,000 miles. Now, this is definitely not something I'm really interested in, but it does have this like push guard in the front that tells me it's pretty much not from the West Coast, to say the least. We take a look underneath. You do got some oil drippage. Maybe somebody dripped some trying to check the oil level or whatever. But it is the V6. The body is in pretty fair shape. It has good mileage, so whoever had the car took pretty good care of it, because anything like this, you can see it smells really good in here. The leather and everything is really good. You've got the sunroof up there. This actually seems like a pretty fair Mercedes. Whoever had this car really took care of it, and they drove it, pretty regularly. I'm sure they got it serviced pretty often too. Just seems like a really fair ride. Even with the mileage, this one actually looks better than those two, but it is what it is. And we'll just go over some of the quick cars that I know I won't probably buy, but I'll show you guys. We got a 2000 Oldsmobile Intrigue. It's got 113,000 miles, but it's a 2000 for one. We're in 2020. Not a big deal. But then you got the mismatched door here. You got the missing mirror. And then I'm sure when you open the car, it's actually pretty fair in here. It's pretty decent. You might be able to get this car for $300-400 because this door is a different color. But the car is a little bit old for my liking. The mileage is pretty fair, but with these things, man, you never really know. So that's why, me personally, I don't like to bid on nothing too old like that. But it is what it is. We got this 745. You guys know I definitely Definitely don't want this one. It's got Asante wheels on it. But definitely not my flavor. I won't be getting into that trap. We got an 02 Toyota Echo, 283,000 miles. The mileage is really, really high on this, and the year is really, really old. And it's just not my flavor, man. You guys know I like stuff that I typically would drive myself, because if I don't sell it, hey man, I at least want to enjoy it. So that's where we're at with these first few cars here. But let's keep moving. So now this is definitely more my flavor, man. We got a 2015 Nissan Altima, 90,000 miles on it. Pretty nice looking car. The tires seem like they're pretty much worn. But like I said, 90,000 miles. It's definitely been driven. You got some stuff on the back here. Maybe this might have caught fire or something, because it looks like something near the gas tank is just a bunch of discoloration. But we can take a look at the inside of the car really quick. I don't see any rips or tears or anything like that, so that may be a plus. Everything in here seems to be intact. I mean, it is a pretty nice year. But like I said, this discoloration, something might have caught on fire. You never really know. But I guess it seems pretty fair for what it is. You do got some scrapes and tequila kicks on this side, nothing too major, but it does stand out. So you know, we'll see. 2015 with 90,000 miles, man, it may go pretty decently. We'll see what happens in the auction today. Alrighty, we got a 2012 Ford Fiesta, 93,000 miles. Pretty decent looking car from a first glance. I don't see any body damage or anything like that, so this may be something to bid on. I know you guys were telling me, man, stay away from the Ford Fiesta, but that was at the other auction. I feel a little bit better about it being at this auction. And then you just see everything. Like, this one seems like it'll be a pretty decent ride. You can get it for a couple grand or so, 93,000 miles. It seems like the front may be a little low suspension wise, but I don't know, maybe that's just how it is. I have to look at some pics, but it does look like the suspension is a little off on this side. We can take a look at the inside of the car really quick. Pretty decent. I don't see anything that really stands out. No rips in the seat or anything. It is a pretty cool hatchback. It does have 93,000 miles. Like I said, everything seems to be intact. Nice little car. Got the CarMax sticker on the back there, so whoever had this car, I'm sure they probably had a car note or something. But me personally, I wouldn't mind grabbing it. Let's hope it comes through the auction running and everything pretty good, because I think we might be able to get a good deal on something today, guys. So stay tuned and let's find out. And you guys know I don't want the Caliber. That thing was here last week. It's a 07 Dodge Caliber with 171,000 miles. You guys know Dodge 07s, not reliable at all. Wouldn't want to put my money into that. 2011 Dodge Avenger, whatever you want to, however you want to say it, 193,000 miles. Don't want it. It's not reliable to me. You got a 2003 Mercedes C240, 75,000 miles, rebuilt title. I mean, if you can get it for a decent price, I'm sure some young gun is gonna want this thing. Oh dang, what did I do? Alrighty, so after that lasted so freaking long, I guess we're gonna be cool on the Mercedes. I mean, you may be able to get it for a decent price, but I'm pretty good on it. We got a 14 Dodge Journey here with 105,000 miles. This is more so my flavor. It's up to date. It's newer. Dang, my hand is ashy. But I mean, pretty decent car all around. 105,000 miles. We can take a look at this side really quick. It does seem pretty fair for the most part. We can take a quick look at the inside. It does look really good and current. 105,000 miles. You guys can take a look at the dash. It does look really good in here, and I don't see anything that really stands out other than that window being down. It's probably broken, but this thing is a rental car clean. So I'm hoping we can score something here today, man. I really am. Like, I really want to bring you guys something worth your while and worth my time. But you know, just got to make the smartest decision. So if this thing goes cheap, hey, we'll grab it. But you know, we don't want to overpay for anything. So with that being said, man, stay tuned and let's see what we can do. I don't want the Pimp My Ride Toyota Camry with 197,000 miles. I'm actually good on that. I'm actually good on the '05 Saturn Vue with 169,000 miles. I'm definitely good on the '97 Toyota Camry with 160 some odd miles. Definitely good on the '94 Toyota Camry. We can keep it moving. We can do this all day. I'm good on the '99 Ford Taurus with 104,000 miles. This one is actually pretty cool and pretty rare, as it does have the seat in the back. If you guys never seen that before, I know some of you haven't, but we've seen this car maybe like one time or two times before in our auction day. So we'll just go through it really quick. I mean, it is pretty simple. It actually is really clean in this thing. Really clean. I don't understand how these things stay this clean, because like usually these old cars, man, they end up pretty whooped. But when I said it does have an extra seat back here, you lift this up. Where is it? Oh, right here. And then you got a seat back there, so that's something a lot of people don't know. I remember sitting back here as a kid in this back seat, and then I was just thinking, now it's like literally no way out, man. So if it was a wreck or something, you'd be totally SOL. But you know, that's another story, man. I'm gonna cover that up because you never know. You may be able to get stuff for cheap. People just don't know. So we'll close this back and maybe able to get it for a couple $100. I wasn't really interested in it, but just what I know you may be able to get this thing for super cheap here today, so we'll check it out. I'm actually good on the Corolla. I'm good on the Mazda Tribute with 170,000 miles. I'm good on the Toyota Mercury. The Mercury Grand Marquis, 200,000 miles. Whoa. They have a 1985 Cadillac Fleetwood here. Definitely was on the movie Casino. 96,000 miles or 196,000 miles. Yeah, it looks like 96,000 miles, but we can take a quick look at it. It does have the hazard lights on that Joan. 1985 Cadillac limo. Pretty nice looking lack, if you will. And pop the hood because it's just, ooh, this thing is huge. Pop the hood. Got the V8 up in there. What is this? It doesn't say. Built by Executive Coach Builders. 3/6/1985. Wow. Man, that thing is pretty heavy. We can just take a quick look. I'm pretty sure it's so much history within this limo. This door is a no-go. I don't really want to get in there. It kind of looks creepy to me, but you guys see it better on camera than I can in person because it's just like super dark. But yeah, you got a limo here. If you like it, I love it. I'm actually good on it. It does look kind of creepy. If I seen this thing pulling up at nighttime, all tinted up, I would kind of think twice about it. But that's just me. I don't know. Seems like I don't know. I'm gonna just leave it at that. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below, dog. We got a Commander, a super old Commander. This is like the definitely like what's that movie? Yo. Breaking Bad. There we go. It definitely looks like somebody's old history. It's still in there. And I'm actually good on going in there. But yeah, I'm sure it's a bunch of history, and hey, you never know, you may find something interesting in there. But I'm gonna pass on this, me personally. But I don't know. If you guys like it, I love it, man. We can move along and see everything else that doesn't start. But you know, for the most part, everything is we've seen the best of the best already. So I might just go ahead and end this video right here, man. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to check out the merch, man, go visit everythingsregular.com. Everything has free shipping right now. And hey, I might drop the prices on some of this stuff just to clear out some of this inventory and get some new inventory in there, man. So I appreciate you guys rocking with me, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to grab a hat, man, go to the website, everythingsregular.com. If you want to grab a mask, go to the website, everythingsregular.com, man. We got shirts on there, shorts on there, air fresheners, whatever you want, man. So be sure to support your boy, and I'll get back to you guys tomorrow, man. Peace.